So you're a college student and you're wondering how to prepare and spend your money for the upcoming college semester. In this video, I give you 3 tips on how to effectively budget in college. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Tom from Tom Stanley YouTube. If you're new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, I upload weekly content about financial education and how to become financially free. Now, we look at budgeting as just some, I'll do it later or whatever. But budgeting is so important, especially when you start it early. Now, in college, we assume that we don't need to budget because, we don't have a house, we don't have kids, we can just worry about very small little things and we don't need a budget. And that's far from the truth. You need a budget, especially at a young age. Good habits early are good habits later. Now, tip number 1 is to set aside at least $100 before the semester begins. Now, this depends on how many classes you're going to be taking in that semester. I personally take 5 classes per semester, so for me, I have to maybe go a little bit above $100 per semester because I take about 5 classes, but on average, most people take 3 to 4. Now, the class ranges will be about $20 to $40 per class, and textbooks take up a large amount of that. Most textbooks will be ranging from $25 to $35 to rent, and then you also have to get the supplies or other books along with that class, which add up. Now, tip number 2 is very similar to tip number 1, but try and stay away from your campus bookstore. Your campus bookstore is ripping you off. Now, they do, at least my campus store, price matches with Amazon, but you should not be buying your books. You should be renting your books and rent your books off of Amazon. Amazon has a great rental program for college students, and it's at pretty good prices. A lot of the rental prices that I've seen have been ranging from $25 to $35 on rental books, which isn't bad comparing to buying the book. I've seen some cases to where they buy the book for the same price of renting the book, which in case if you have like a sibling or someone else that will take the class, then you could sell the book back to them, but I just recommend renting. Now, many college students don't know this, but Amazon offers a free 6-month Amazon Prime free trial, which is very key. Now, in order to do this, you go to the Amazon website and you can type in like college Prime or whatever, and it'll come up. All you have to do is put in your college email and then you'll get approved. And then right when your trial is about to end, then you can take off your credit card and they won't charge you for your next cycle. Number 3 is you should not be spending more than $80 every 2 weeks on just food. Try and eat at home if you can. Try and go to the grocery store and make yourself some sandwiches. Find some Hot Pocket. Cook yourself some ramen or ramen noodles, however you say it. Have soup or have eggs. Those really aren't that expensive things, and that will save you a lot of money in the long run, especially if you're eating out. Now, eating out's fun and it's cool to have a meal or to hang out with some friends, but just try and avoid that if you can. Try and limit that because it burns your health and it burns through your bank account or your wallet. Now, you can also do the system to where you buy, let's just use an example, you buy a $12 pizza. And with the pizza, you eat a little bit one night, and then the next day, you eat the rest the next day. That's dividing up portions. So you eat half one day and then the half the other day. We have this Asian food place next to me that gives you huge portions, and I know a lot of people, they eat as much as they can that day, and then the next day they eat the leftovers, and that's 2 meals right there. Using those 3 tips right there will help you out a lot, and it'll save you a lot of money, and the money you save you can put back into investing into courses for your website or for your YouTube or books on financial education that you can read. The whole point of budgeting is not just to save money. The money you save on your expenses, you can use it for your business or to make even more money. That's the whole point of budgeting. Now, question of the day today is, when you set up your budget, do you use pen and paper or do you use apps like Mint and just fill in your numbers to do your budget? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, I know today's video is a shorter video. If you like the shorter videos or like longer videos, also let me know in the comment section. I'll put the link to my previous budgeting video right up here. And I'm also going to make a playlist for that. So if you're interested in just budgeting and all of that in general, then click on that playlist and you'll learn a lot. I know I don't talk about my social media, but my Instagram and Twitter usernames are at TomStanley__, and you can add me on Snapchat at TomStanleyYT. Links will also be below in the description. So guys, smash that like button if you enjoyed this week's video. It means a lot to me. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.